Oh, g'day, and welcome to our Back to Basics series. Today, I raided my son's toy drawer because I wanted to talk to you about Modbus, how it works, and why we love it. So Modbus is a globally recognized serial protocol, and it allows for a single sensor to send multiple parameters back to a device. For instance, wind speed, wind direction, pressure, temperature, and send it all back to our device at one time. But the really cool thing is that on the same cable, we can actually hook up multiple sensors and get multiple sets of unique parameters sent back to our device all together. And we love it because you can do some really cool things with it. Just recently, we've hooked up a radar to a weather station to a rail temperature sensor and fed that all back into one device. And if it's as rugged as this is, you can kind of put it anywhere. But if you do want to find out more, you can head to our website.